welcome back to Hike Oregon. We are here at the Mary's Peak North Ridge Trail I haven't done before. These ladies have not been on top of Mary's Peak either. We're heading up the North Ridge Trail, super excited. It's been raining for like a week. Yeah, it's been pretty doom and gloom here in the Willamette Valley, so we're excited to see some sunshine. I see it already, and we'll catch you on the trail. Well, mountain forecast was wrong. As you can see, we are socked in. Even though mountain forecast said no clouds anywhere to be seen, I checked it every hour yesterday up until 9 p.m. So a little annoyed. Literally no view. It looks like Antarctica, like just snow and nothing. This is usually a view right here. This is usually an epic view of the hills, and you can see the coast, and then over to this area you can see mountains. So yeah, nothing today. We're gonna eat lunch, and maybe something will happen during that time, but I'm not gonna hold my breath because I would die. Look, it looks like Antarctica. Seriously, Antarctica with the weather station that lied to us. So yeah, we're gonna make ourselves at home on this picnic table. Luckily it's not cold or anything. I mean, it's a little cold, but there's a chance of blue sky. Like if you look up, the clouds aren't thick, which is what makes this so frustrating. Okay, so no view. It did not clear up. Well, it did like for a second in one area, and now it's legit snowing on us. So we had a quick lunch, and now we're gonna head down because it's like blizzarding. This was not expected at all. It's legit blizzarding, so we're gonna head back down. Okay, so question of the day is, well, there's a two-part question. So first part is, what was one of your absolute favorite and best hiking memories of 2019? And then the second part of the question is, what are you most looking forward to as far as hiking in 2020? For me, Timberline Trail was by far one of my favorite hiking memories of this year, but also come in very close second would be not necessarily my favorite hike, but my favorite memory was when I took my mom hiking. Haven't been hiking with her since I was like 6 years old, so that was a really, really special day. Not necessarily my favorite hike of the year, but just the memory around it was really special. And I'm most looking forward to in 2020 are the Sierras. Okay, Holly.
Okay, so I was going to say that favorite hiking memories has to be with friends. That's what makes them great. But single memory and most memorable would be the memorial hike for my brother after he passed, for sure. And you stole my idea. The hike I'm most looking forward to for 2020 is the Sierras, for sure.
Okay, Kara.
Okay, so my favorite hike of 2019 was summiting Diamond Peak, and that was because it was really special to me, and because it's a summit that my dad did when he was 19, and my favorite picture of him is from that summit. And then on the way down, I found a perfect shaped heart right at the top of the summit coming down. And then what I'm most looking forward to in 2020 is my first backpacking trip in the Washington Cascades with the OHC group.
Yay, so exciting.
Yeah.
So many fun things coming up in 2020. We are so excited. So can't wait to hear what you guys have to comment down below, and we're gonna finish our little hike here. Okay guys, we're back down at the car. We hiked 9.75-ish miles. All of our GPSs are different, so we're kind of averaging them at 9.75. Well, Strava's never accurate. It was like 10.2, but my most accurate one said 9.79. So we'll just put it at that, and it was 2,400 feet elevation gain, which is pretty good for this time of year. 10-ish miles. It was awesome. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post all of my pictures from these awesome recent adventures. And if you're interested in hiking here in this lovely state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.